You can also easily center out objects inside of Google Drawings and then rotate it out by using the options inside of Google Drawings. So to do that, I'm going to go around and bring in a shape right here. So now you can see that this object is not currently at the center. One of the ways that you can keep this in the center is by clicking and dragging, and over here you can see that it snaps onto the center right here. You see the crosshairs right here. Now you know that this is exactly at the center. Another thing that you can do is you can go to arrange right here, and over here you can see center in page is an option. You can click on horizontally so it centers out the object horizontally right here, and again you can go around, click on center on page right here and click on vertically as well. One of the things that you can do is this, and another thing that you can do is you can rotate this around as well. So you can go around over here on to rotate, and you can rotate it clockwise just like this. As you can see, you can go around over here and rotate this counterclockwise over here as well. You can also go around over here into rotate and flip this vertically and horizontally as well. So you can see that you have flipping option over here as well. Similarly, you can do the same with images as well. And that is how you can center out and rotate out objects inside of Google Drawings. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.